Healing salve for open wounds. A person can treat a minor wound at home. However, they should seek medical help if they have some excessive bleeding. Advice for open wounds: wash your hands with soap and clean water. Apply some pressure to the wound to stop the bleeding. Clean the wound with clean water once the bleeding has stopped. Examine the wound for foreign objects and dirt. If possible, apply healing salve to the wound to prevent infection. Close your wound and apply an adhesive bandage. Use this homemade salve to treat minor cuts and burns. All of those ingredients have disinfecting, antiseptic, and antibiotic properties. Ingredients needed: 100 grams of beeswax, 10 grams of vaseline, 1 to 2 hands of a mixture of the following herbs: lavender, mint, marigold flower, elderberry, chamomile, nettles, rosemary, sage, lemon balm. You can buy dry herbs from herbal pharmacy and you can put a little of each herb. Procedure: beeswax is quite thick, so I mix it with 10 grams of some vaseline. I do not wash the freshly picked herbs because I pick them from places where the air is 100% clean, from the mountains, and there is no need. I put about 100 grams of beeswax and 10 grams of vaseline in a clean fireproof container, then put it on steam to melt. I put all the herbs I listed in the melted wax, mix slowly for about a minute, then remove it from the steam. Beeswax and petroleum jelly must not boil, so they melt very slowly. I leave it like this for 24 hours so that the herbs can release their juices into the wax. Then the next day I steam it again to return to a liquid state. I strain it through cheesecloth and store it in small boxes.